We got banned from Disney World?
We what?
That's right, we broke every single rule in the book. Luckily, this ban was only virtual, just like this VR headset.
Legally, we have to say this.
Warning. The following video features stunts performed either by professionals or under the supervision of professionals. For the love of theme parks and its producers must insist that no one attempt to recreate or reenact any stunt performed in this video.
That'd be really stupid.
I'm Ryan from For the Love of Theme Parks.
And I'm Torrin from Hato & Co. And you're watching Disney Channel.
Are we allowed to do that?
I don't care!
Alright, so it's getting a little chilly here in Galaxy's Edge, so I'm gonna pop on my favorite sweatshirt, if that's okay with y'all. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's totally fine. Ryan?
Yeah?
I think there's something wrong with your shirt.
Well, I hope I'm not breaking any park rules.
I don't think so. Wait. Oh, yes. You're not allowed to wear shirts or any kind of clothing with profanity on it.
Oh!
Alright, we're here at Disney Springs, although I'm a little parched, I've got no water. But there's a fountain right in front of me, so I'm just gonna go ahead and, perfect. Smells fine. That's some good water. I give it like a 7.2 out of fountain waters, but this is pretty alright. Hope nobody copies me doing this though. Yo, yo, yo! What up, Magic Kingdom?
Sir, the megaphones are not allowed in the parks.
Are you trying to ruin my vacation? Please don't ruin my vacation.
I'm not, I'm just...
I paid good money for this megaphone, and I'm gonna get the use out of it! Hey, he's gonna propose to you.
Spoil somebody else's.
none of these people can hear you.
I know, that's the best part. Hey.
It's like they're ignoring you, but they're not, because I'm like, wow, these people really don't care.
Really don't. Excuse me, what time is the 3 o'clock parade? They don't know what time the 3 o'clock parade is. Oh yeah, Stitch is open. Oh, rip.
Just to be clear with everybody who's watching this video, some of these walkthroughs we're watching are like from like a while ago, because 360 videos have existed before. We did literally just pull up like YouTube videos.
It's the launching pad! Trying to get a foot-long hot dog!
None of these people can hear you. That means somebody was looking at you. I am a little disappointed because this ride-through is going to be in the back row, but that's okay because I do have some work to get done.
What kind of work do you need to get done? Are you cutting celery right now?
Yeah? How else am I going to get the animals' attention?
Wait a minute. Not only do you have... Are you feeding the animals? So let me get this straight, Ryan. You have a very sharp knife on you. On top of that, you're now feeding the...
I can't see right now. This is so dangerous.
Knives are not allowed. That is 100% against the rules. That is a sharp object that could hurt somebody.
Okay, well, I mean... Are you smoking on the Peoplemover?
Absolutely. Wait. Oh.
You're hiding it from the cast. You know they can't see that, right?
No, that's fine. I don't want them to notice.
You're just looking the other way.
How's it going, sir? Thank you. Is the coast clear yet?
I think you might be good.
Oh, taking a picture.
Wow, how'd you do that?
I have 4 arms. Oh my god. Look at this view. This is beautiful. This is truly a great big beautiful today.
This is exactly how Walt wanted to enjoy the Peoplemover.
Right, exactly. That's why we always used the 2-finger rule. The day that he died, he was like, VR is the next biggest thing. And that's why they chopped off his head and saved it.
I did just enter line with Grandpa and my 2 nephews to go ride Everest. This is one of my favorite rides here at Disney World. Oh my... Oh, and we got front row.
Uh-oh.
Whoa, where'd the track go? Oh my god.
Are you stress smoking right now?
Yes, I am. I can't take this anymore.
Oh my god, Ryan, I didn't know that you were an addict.
Sir, I don't think lap sitting is allowed. You seem to be fine with it though. Okay, we're good.
Ryan, smoking is a terrible habit. You should leave it alone, okay? Let's stop the breaking rules once and for all.
This is really shitty video right now.
They all are.
Are you taking photos of truck construction right now? Technically, this is backstage. You're breaking another rule.
I'm breaking all the rules. I've got all the photos. You don't. Oh, this is going up on my Twitter. This is going to be amazing.
I hope those don't go to Tom.
It's actually Knott's Berry. What the f going on here? What the hell? Well, this looks like an average Hato and Co video. All right, man, it's hot one today. I need to let these doggies breathe a little bit. Go ahead and hop right in.
Are you sticking your foot in the water?
Dude, it feels amazing. And I'm also getting clean because it's bromine. Perfect.
Thank you everybody so much for joining us on this stream here at Epcot today.
Ryan, what are you doing?
I'm just streaming in the park, you know? This is what I do for this is my full-time job. This is a real job.
No, that's not a real job.
No, listen. If you do want me to read anything that you say in the chat, make sure it's a super chat. If you have recommendations for rides, you could also only make those through super chat as well. So if you are going to be sticking with us all day, we are going to be going over to the All-Stars Resort tonight. There is a hurricane that's on the way. It's going to be a very scary night. Make sure to like and subscribe.
It's complete.
Oh my god, it's Baymax! I forgot Baymax was here. This is an old video. Oh, Baymax, no!
No, not the Baymax! Well, I'm about to ride Big Thunder Mountain. It's one of my favorite roller coasters here at the Magic Kingdom.
But it seems like are you sneaking something?
No. I'm just, this is the lap bar.
That's a lap bar?
Yeah, it's just a lap bar.
Okay,
yeah,
well,
I'm secure. Yep, I lift up. I lifted it up. All right, perfect. Everybody say cheese. Oh, this is the best part. Here we go. Ready? Cheese.
Sir, okay. See, that's exactly why you don't bring your selfie sticks. That's against the rules as well. You just...
Can somebody stop the ride? Well, it wasn't my fault. The ride was too rough.
Yeah.
I couldn't hold my phone in the normal way that you would hold a phone.
I don't think I've seen a good selfie stick photo. Like,
well, you about to today.
Suddenly you know the trick. Exactly. But we got... What the heck? What is this?
I'm trapped.
What the heck? Oh, that's so bright. Oh, here we go. Hold on, let me flip it.
Wow. That's just about as dangerous as the person next to you holding that big DSLR camera.
You're right. No, that's the guy
No, that's the guy there.
This is the guy who I'm sitting on the lap of.
Wow.
That's gonna turn out really good, sir. Oh, not as good as my selfie stick though.
Yeah.
Oh, we didn't hit 65.
Oh, bummer. Well, that's definitely against park rules, is selfie sticks, but not DSLRs on mini tripods. So that's where you messed up, Ryan.
Yes, exactly. Look, because I could go like this and it won't even be in frame. Like I'm almost sticking your phone into a ceiling fan in this room. Sorry, here's your phone back.
Oh, wow.
Wait, hold on. Is that a non-Coast Guard approved flotation device?
You bet your sweet cheeks it is. But I need it though.
Okay,
I can't leave the house without it.
This is the strangest one that we found in the rule book, is that non-Coast Guard approved flotation devices. And this is the cheapest one I found on Amazon.
Watch out. This is a safety protocol. I need you to make 6 feet around me. Thank you.
Anyway, this is the weirdest one that we found on the list of rules to not break at Disney. And here we're doing it in VR. Again, don't actually do this. This one, I don't know. I don't think this one matters.
Me-hoy, me-yoy!
Hey man, what is that you're hiding there?
It's nothing too crazy.
Is that what I think?
No, it's Mima, okay? Wait, sorry, I gotta check in with my perfect, okay, perfect.
So those are ashes.
Yeah, these are her ashes.
Okay.
She wanted to be here. We're gonna cap off the 1,000th happy haunt, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just sprinkle her.
Okay, that's good. We're good. Okay. This is probably a good one to end on. Thank you for joining us today. We're gonna cut to our pre-filmed outro.
Happy haunting, Mima! Wow, that was so much fun. Ryan, did you have fun?
I had a blast.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. In all seriousness, this was really fun to shoot. Did you have a good time?
It was a crazy time.
Again, don't try any of these at home.
Please.
And make sure you subscribe to Hato & Co. right here across the bottom. Also in the description, it's right at the top, so it'll be easy to find, and in the title of the video. Anyway, that's it.
Click everywhere. But also follow Ryan, because you already are.
Sure, maybe. Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.